Go.
Zoo likes to be near the ocean. He likes to hear the waves. He likes to put his feet in the sand. He likes to see the birds in the sky. One day Zoo saw a little face in the water. The face was dark gray. The face had black eyes and a long nose, like a dog. Sue saw the face going up and down the waves. Look, Sue said to Mom. Mom stopped reading her book. What is it? Sue asked. It is a seal, Mom said.
Oops, I went over.